Okay, the third piece of equipment that we are going to speak about briefly this afternoon is the Rifton HTS, which stands for Hygiene and Toileting System. As the name implies, this product incorporates two very important ADLs, activities of daily living, in one piece of equipment. That is one of hygiene or showering, and the secondly of toileting. Toileting is one of the most important ADLs there is, because it is on the issue of toileting that a person is committed to a care institution or not. And with a Rifton activity chair, we allow the child to be positioned in a functional position to get the job done and do successful toileting. And now I will demonstrate the basic features of the Rifton Hygiene and Toileting System chair. Okay, one of the most important features on the Rifton Hygiene and Toileting Systems is what we call the tilt in space feature. We can rotate the chair 15 degrees forward for transfers and for cleaning after the toileting is completed, and then we can rotate the chair 15 degrees back for showering or hair washes. So one very simple adjustment, one blue button will make that adjustment. The next adjustment I want to show you is that we can adjust the height of the chair depending on the age of your child. And to do that, we simply flip up the footboard and we simply grab two buttons at the back and we can lower it down to a very low position on the floor. Or if we have a bigger child that has more leg length, we can simply raise it up into a higher position. Okay, another adjustment that's very important is called the seat depth adjustment. As the child grows, you want to give them more seat depth, or if you want to use it for a different child, you can simply adjust the seat depth by doing this. And it's very simple and intuitive. The next thing we will do is the back angle adjustment. We have the back angle that will adjust 6 degrees anteriorly, then 6 degrees posteriorly, and 18 degrees. Finally, you combine that with the 15 degrees of tilt in space, and we have a total of 33 degrees of posterior tilt.
Mention the tray.
We also do have a tray that you can fit on so the child can lean forward. We have a host of accessories. These are the lateral supports. For the trunk control, we do also have a butterfly harness. We do also have a lap belt or seat belt. And then we do have finally an adjustable footboard where you can adjust both the angle of the footboard and the footboard plate adjustment height.